ImportExpo.
Atlantic City ImportExpo 2016. It's going down. You're gonna see some badass cars there.
And some badass girls.
And some badass girls. Sam's looking forward to the badass girls. I'm looking forward to the badass girls too. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie.
Right now. I'm gonna do as much vlogging as I can. I don't even know when this is gonna go up, but I figured it'd be fun, a little bit of a different type of video. Today we're going to the car show with my cousin Jessica and her man Tony. Your boyfriend?
It's not my boyfriend. Maybe just a little bit.
We're just gonna.
She's looking to see some badass cars there, some badass girls. She's looking forward to seeing the badass girls. Sorry if the video is like a little shaky, but I don't have a dock for my camera. I'm just using my iPhone and I'm kind of trying to hold it. So, yeah, eventually I gotta get one of those. On behalf of Minority Mafia, this is Imo here. You already know this chick. But check out our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Minority Mafia too. And yeah, we'll see you there.
Bye guys. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Okay, so we have to pull over because that's a pee. I can't hold it. Are you gonna come in with me? Or are you staying? Beach! Alright. Bye. Are you gonna come in with me? We're gonna go in. Okay, we're out. Okay. Which just happened to me before. I wasn't paying attention and I was coming out of the gym one time and I really sprained my ankle because I was texting.
Of course you
No, texting and walking.
Sammy can't do multiple things at once.
I'm not coordinated.
What's the retail on one of those?
Say hi. 6:13. Forget to turn it this way. We're at the Sheridan trying to find Jessica. Oh wait, she's down here.
Excuse me? Your baby feet long enough to hit the floor. Look, that's that one.
Fancy? They think they're cute.
Oh shit.
Like Matt, I'm recording everything, damn. How do you think I have to get this shit?
Oh my god, idea.
Not nice cars. Freaking dinosaurs.
Pictured at the car.
It looks, is it even,
Yeah, you got it.
it looks like it's humping the car.
It's climbing on the car.
Oh, it's climbing on the car.
I gotta come back a little bit.
just trying to get in the car. I'm down. I didn't even know I was recording. Hocus Pocus. We can each be one of the sisters.
The Sanderson sisters?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
Are we going home?
Definitely a good show. Saw a lot of nice, really nice cars there.
The Volkswagen was my favorite.
You just like it because it had all the sparkles.
Yes, that's all that matters.
Oh, God. There was this red G37 Liberty Walk, red G37, completely done up, full interior, full exterior. Beautiful, beautiful car.
Which one was it?
There was the red one. Red one with all the lights on it.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. It was nice. It was alright.
Sparkly.
Alright. We gotta go
Signing
home.
off.
Bye.